Welcome to my Car Curator channel. Today we are diving in Mahindra Bolero. The Mahindra Bolero is a robust SUV that has been a significant part of Mahindra and Mahindra's lineup since its introduction in 2000. Known for its durability and versatility, the Bolero has maintained its popularity, especially in rural and semi-urban areas, due to its sturdy build and reliable performance. Over the years, the Bolero has undergone several updates to meet evolving customer needs and regulatory standards. In 2024, Mahindra expanded the Bolero family by launching the Bolero Neo Plus, a 9-seater variant designed to offer enhanced space and comfort while retaining the rugged characteristics of the original Bolero. This model is powered by a 2.2-liter M-Hawk diesel engine paired with a 6-speed gearbox, providing a balance of power and efficiency. Looking ahead, Mahindra is developing the next-generation Bolero, expected to debut between 2026 and 2027. This upcoming model is anticipated to feature a new platform, updated design elements, and modern features to align with current market trends while preserving the core attributes that have made the Bolero a trusted choice for many. Throughout its evolution, the Mahindra Bolero has remained a symbol of reliability and toughness, adapting to changing times while staying true to its roots as a dependable utility vehicle. For a visual overview of the latest features and design of the Mahindra Bolero, you might find this video informative. The Mahindra Bolero is a rugged and reliable SUV known for its durability, powerful performance, and practicality. Since its introduction in 2000, it has remained a top choice, especially in rural and semi-urban areas. With its sturdy build, fuel-efficient diesel engine, and spacious interior, the Bolero is designed for both daily commutes and tough terrains. The latest updates bring modern features while maintaining its core toughness. Stay tuned for the next-gen Bolero, expected to launch between 2026-2027, promising enhanced performance, new design elements, and advanced technology. Please subscribe to my Car Curator channel today.